P0723. Okay, so right now I'm in the process of fixing the output speed sensor, which is right here. Gonna be replacing this one with the new one, because what it does is it causes the car to, like, what happened? It didn't shift into park, right? And he had to turn the car off to put it into park, and the speedometer stopped working also. So I'm in the process of doing this, so I figured I'd just make a video. Everybody knows how to take out the AIRBOX from the other videos that I made, and then, you know, the two 10s, the 110 that sits here for this, for the fuse box, and then the other 10 that sits here for this. And then there's gonna be another 10 right here that you just take out. You unscrew that 10, and then the connector, you just press on this tab and wiggle off. Okay. And this is a sensor here, so you grab it and you wiggle it left to right, and then it pops out like so. Okay, this is the old one, so now we're gonna get the new one. Let me get the new one and I'll catch back for you guys. So then now you get the new sensor and make sure no dirt falls in there. You get the new output speed sensor. Put it in the transmission like so. And you get the bolt. Put the bolt back in. So I'm gonna put that bolt back in, tighten it down, and then catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so now install the bolt back. Now I'm going to slide the connector back on underneath the hose like so. And, you know, that's it. Then you just put everything back and put back the fuse box and the AIRBOX, and then I'm going to catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so I just put everything back, which is the AIRBOX, the two 10s, the 110 here and the other 10 here. Then there's another 10 that goes here for the AIRBOX, the other 10 here. But what I did was I took off the top of the AIRBOX, the 4 screws, 8mm. Once you take these 4 off, you'll be able to lift the cover off. Then you push this back with a flathead. You lift the cover off, and then you take out these 2 screws. This screw here, this is a 10, that's a 10. You lift it out, okay, and then you just slide this fuse box back up. You bolt it back up, 2 bolts on top, and that's it. Again, he has this new output speed sensor. So basically his speedometer wasn't working and stuff. So now we're gonna start the car and test it to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Okay.
Start it up?
Yeah, start it. He also has another code for a knock sensor, which we're going to replace. We have to take up the whole manifold on to get to that knock sensor. So we're going to check to see if his speedometer is working. I wanted to finish the video up on this note. Yeah, his speedometer is working now. This is my car. He just left because he had to go. But basically his speedometer wasn't working, and his transmission, see, like his speedometer wasn't working, so it wasn't going up at all with that output speed shaft sensor messed up. And basically when he went to get the part, his car was in drive. He went to put it in park and it wouldn't go into park. So if this happens to you and it's in park or whatever, or reverse, and it won't go into park, turn the car off, then push it into park, then turn it off. Well, it's already off, but then, you know, you can get it in park that way, and then start it up and you should be okay. That's how you do it. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. So now his speedometer works now, so he's good to go. He's test driving it. He's gonna let me know that everything is okay. I think everything is okay. Good? Perfect. All right, there you go right there. Good. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right, so it's good. Okay, good. You're welcome. And he's good to go. So all the place is this. And I just showed you guys how to do it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.